Welcome to this session. One of the most frequently asked and most important questions in any interview. Tell me about yourself. This question may appear simple, but it plays a major role in shaping the interviewer's first impression about you. Many candidates either speak too much, go off topic, or freeze completely. The key is to understand why this question is asked and how to answer it with confidence, structure, and purpose. Interviewers usually ask this question for two main reasons. First, to help you relax and start the conversation. Second, to observe how you communicate, summarize your background, and connect your experience with job you are applying for. Your responses gives them a clear idea of your confidence, focus, and overall personality. To deliver a clear and professional answer, follow the SEAT method, which stands for skills, experience, achievements, and type of employee. Begin by sharing your skills that are relevant to the position. Then briefly explain your experience or educational background that supports those skills. Next, mention one or two achievements that highlight your growth or success. Finally, describe the type of employee you are and how your contribution will benefit the company. Let's take an example for a candidate with experience. Thank you for this opportunity. I would describe myself as adaptable, collaborative, and self-disciplined. In my previous role, I managed multiple projects efficiently, supported my team during challenges, and consistently delivered results under pressure. I am now looking forward to bring the same dedication and positive attitude to your organization. And here's one for a fresher. Thank you for this opportunity. I am a quick learner and an enthusiastic team player. During my academic years, I worked on group projects, met tight deadlines, and developed analytical and communication skills. I am eager to begin my professional journey and contribute effectively from day one. To summarize, always keep your answer concise, confident, and relevant. Use the SEAT method, maintain good body language, and practice your response aloud. A well-prepared introduction can make this simple question your strongest start in any interview.